Okay, we're going to go over the lab again. Our journey started here in the prep room. We have seen the equipment in this room and how it's laid out. Actually, with this one-man bench. This is a small room, the smallest room of the lab, but very well designed for moving in here and moving fast and getting things actually done. So we move out from this room now, which we did call the lung of the lab, and we've seen also the body of this lab. And the first bench we have went over was the bench where all the metal work is done and the dies are ditched, and where the castings are cut and the structures are finished. And that was done after all waxing and coping have been taken place into this area. On this 3-unit bench, 3-men's bench, also temporaries and custom trays can be done, and also attachments. We've seen also the area where opaques and metal conditioning, which is this, take place. And at last we can say the section which is the pride of the lab, and that is our casting area right here. Let's say this is the area where I would say the equipment, the heavy equipment, is laid out. So after that, this machine here is to take shades on patients, and our supplies are laid out into this glass window. Now we will go in the porcelain room, which is right on the other side of this glass here. We can see already inside. That's my library. If I put down the shades here, okay, because this kind of does on the window. You can see right there, that's my library with my 4-monitor computer bench. So let's go in there now. We go down this corridor. We do open this door, and here we have the library. This is it. Okay, let's close the door. Okay. We can see it better now. So those are my 2 computers there with the 4 monitors, where usually I sit at when I get to do some office work. And this is my library, and here there's all sort of information on paper. Okay. And by the way, Craig, I received this morning this email from you. It was a new lab plan you sent in for me. This one came in today. So right now it's let's see, here it's, you can see the time, 12:48. This is my wife's desk. This is where when the work comes in, it's registered, and also when invoices are put out. She does all the office work, the certifications, because now all our work is based on certification, quality certification. This is my printing area, and actually Baba stays down here. This is her place where she usually sits, and now I've chained her up, otherwise she'll be running all over the place. But, you know, she's well behaved, this dog, so she's no problem in the lab actually. And finally a corner bench here. And this area is actually all my porcelain area. It's in a different room to keep away from contaminations and garbage. And here is my Nace centering oven, which is a very good oven, I find it. And it's run very little actually, so this piece of machinery is in very good shape. Let's see, we can open up and see the muffle now. You see the plate is white. That means it's like brand new. And